30 years ago, this idea first appeared in Coach Dumrong's mind. Think about this. If you fill a pot with water, place it on the stove, heat it for 3 minutes, then remove it because you don't see it boiling, then you stop. Later, you put it back on the stove for another 3 minutes, then remove it again. When will the water ever boil? Today, this idea is no longer just a thought. There is real research supporting it. This is one of the main reasons why many people work hard but see no results. Not because they lack knowledge, not because they lack ability, but because they lack consistency. James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, said, "If you get better by just 1% every day, in 1 year you will be 37 times better." That is the power of consistency. Water does not boil because of intense heat for a short moment, then stopping. It boils because of steady, continuous heat until it reaches the boiling point. Starting a fire by rubbing sticks works the same way. So here's the question. The work you started, do you stop often, or do you continue until it succeeds? Consistency is not about doing something big once. It is about doing small things every day, or almost every day, over and over again. Just like water boiling. It boils because continuous heat turns ordinary water into boiling water. There are 4 principles to building consistency. First, identify what truly matters. Find the key activity, the right task, the right method, and repeat it consistently. Second, start immediately. Do not wait until you feel ready. Ready or not, begin. Starting is the hardest part for most people. Many are good at thinking, many are good at talking, but very few are good at taking action. Third, use the PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check, act. Plan your work, do the work, check the results, then improve. Do not repeat the same actions without improvement. If it doesn't work, adjust and evolve. Fourth, look outside your old box. Do not stay busy inside outdated thinking. Learn from people who actually do the work, especially capable younger practitioners. There is a huge difference between real operators and those who only repeat theories from books. One important fact you must understand. Research from University College London shows that building a new habit takes an average of 66 days, not 21 days as many people believe. That means you must stay consistent for at least 2 months before a habit becomes automatic.
Day 1 through 30, it can be frustrating.
Day 31 to 60, we're building some momentum.
Day 61 through 90, we start to see some real growth.
And during those 66 days, steady consistency matters far more than short bursts of intense effort. James Clear also said, "You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems." In real work, do not set a goal like, "I want to earn $2,000 per month from YouTube." Instead, build a system like, "I will upload 2 high-quality videos every day." Do not say, "I want to lose 10 kilograms this year." Instead, say, "Every day I will exercise for 30 minutes and control my eating." Goals tell you what you want. Systems decide what you do every day. And what you do every day is what you eventually become. The key truth is this. Most people fail not because they don't know enough, but because they don't take consistent action. If you've been working for a long time without results, review whether your knowledge is outdated. People who love to criticize often have excuses when it's time to act, because consistent action is the shared trait and secret of successful people around the world. Remember this. If you improve by 1% every day for 1 year, you will be 37 times better. But if you get worse by 1% every day for 1 year, almost nothing will remain. A dam does not collapse in 1 day. The damage builds quietly over time.
Do not assume everything is okay. Build good results, review them, improve continuously. Consistency means steady action. Success comes from doing the work every day long enough. Water boils not because of temporary strong fire, but because of continuous heat until it reaches the boiling point. So the final question for you is this: what will you start doing consistently today? Do not be just a critic. Do not just watch others succeed. Take action, because successful people are the ones who act every day. That is consistency.